In this video, we'll show you how to update your radio firmware to support the primary battery CLB850FF. Check your radio model is either a DT844FF or DT885FF as shown on the radio label. Please note this battery must not be used with any other Intel models. If your radio is not yet updated, primary battery supported will not be displayed as you turn the radio on. To update the radio firmware, you will need to install both the USB driver and the end-user programmer, which is found on the USB stick provided. First, install the USB driver to allow the USB cable to connect to your radio. Please browse to the USB contents, open the CP210X Windows drivers folder, and then select and double-click on the correct driver for your machine from the available list, as shown here. Please accept the license agreement and then click Finish when the installation is complete. Next, install the end-user programmer. As before, browse to the USB contents, but this time, double-click on the file called End-User Programmer. Please accept the end-user agreement and continue the installation process by clicking the Next button at each stage. When the program has been installed successfully, click the Finish button to close the window. You are now ready to update the first radio. Please make sure that the battery is fully charged before you start and that the radio is turned on. Connect the USB cable to the PC and radio as shown, and then launch the end-user programmer from the desktop icon. Now click on the green button for Upgrade Firmware Only, and then click the button Load EFW File. From the browser, navigate to the USB stick and open either the UHF-MA file for the DT885FF radios or VHF-MA for DT844FF. The firmware will now automatically begin uploading to the radio. Please do not disconnect or turn the radio off during this process, which usually takes around 1 minute to complete. At the end of the update process, the radio will reboot, and you will see that the startup logo now includes the new primary battery supported confirmation tick. Finally, remove the USB cable from the radio and replace the protective dust cover.